Welcome friends. Today we are going about I'm going to guide you all to purify and activating your galactic plexus. So I have already completed the two levels of the DNA activation of the 14 healing plexus. Sorry for the sound. Uh, that was 4 internal plexuses and 7 external plexuses, and this galactic plexus, forgiving plexus, and the earth plexus is amongst the transpersonal healing plexuses. So first we are going to purify and activate your galactic plexus. So you will only need actually only 20 minutes of time you will need to activate this plexus. So this is the location, galactic plexus. Sorry for the sound. This is the location. It's just between the 9th and 8th chakra. Okay. So whenever you go into a meditative state, just remember to keep focusing on that point. Forgiving plexus, location between, oh my god, not forgiving plexus, galactic plexus. Okay, fine. Yeah. So galactic plexus, location between the 9th and 10th chakra. Sorry, not 8 and 9, but 9th and 10th chakras. Galactic plexus. Have I showed you correctly? Yeah, galactic plexus. Okay, fine. So what is the effect? It connects to the spiritual realms and to our sky. Sky definitely is heaven, and the spiritual realm is not a very simple and not a very uh, contained term. It's a bigger term. It's multidimensional. So just imagine what could be there in spiritual realms. Okay, it's not a small word. It's not a small term. So there are many things in spiritual realms and to our heaven. Just imagine what can happen. It's beautiful actually. So now directly I will take you all to our codes. Codes are simple, and you only need 2 level of one purification meditation for 5 minutes and one first level activation meditation. So activation code, purification code of the galactic plexus is air me wu. Air me wu. Okay, just take 3 breaths from the universe. Pause this video and take a meditative break for at least 5 minutes. 5 minutes is enough, I think, and try to focus on that particular point between the 9th and 10th chakras, and try to wear off any kind of footwear. Just place your feet on the ground, and then try to sit in a place nearby a window, or you can also sit on a balcony, but in respect of the current corona situation, don't go to terrace. I think that's my prescription anyway, unofficial. So try to sit on the place where you can receive fresh oxygen. Okay. Okay. So all the best for your meditation break. We'll meet after the purification level of this galactic plexus. Congratulations guys, if you haven't cheated and done the 5 minutes meditation after uttering 3 times of this code with me, then you have already purified your galactic plexus. And now the activation of the galactic plexus at the first level is tool use. Tool use. Tool use. If you find some kind of difficulty in pronouncing this, you can actually write it and you can practice this multiple times before uttering with me. So now take 3 breaths from the universe. Inhale. When you inhale, you should inhale deep. Pause for some time, 2 or 3 seconds. Then exhale slow. While you are exhaling, you should feel that you are, giving all the tensions, all the blocks and all issues to Mother Earth to for transmutation. Okay. Just release. And while you inhale, you try to inhale all the love from Mother and the heaven. Okay. So one more breath. You are done now. You can now pause the video and please go into a meditative, enter into a meditative state for 5 minutes with or without music, empty feet, and on ground. Your feet should be placed on ground, and take as much of oxygen as you can. Thank you. Well done, congratulations. I hope you have done this 10 minutes meditation for both the levels, and now you have finally activated your galactic plexus. You have purified. So congratulations, and I'll make another video on a forgiving plexus. So see you then. Thank you. Keep watching.